Hello friends, I am VM. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome YouTube not working. Okay, click on YouTube. See this error, your connection is not private. Okay, now open new tab, check another map. This your connection is not private. Okay, close, check here error, current date invalid. Okay, now I am going to show you how to fix this. Close browser. Press Windows plus I for open settings. Now search here, click on this option. After this, click on date and time. Now check here GTM is correct or not, or DTM is correct. Now click on the setting for on setting. After this, click on synchronize now for synchronize your PC with standard time. Now you see 1856 is current time. Okay, close this and check browser, refresh page, enter. As the same error shown, close this browser and open browser once again. Open browser. Now open YouTube. I am open here my YouTube page. Okay. Now YouTube is working fine. Okay. Then check once map also. Open new tab and click on map. As the map is also working. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.